Alright, so I couldn't find anything online. I didn't search for that long though. I am trying to locate somewhere through the firewall that I can install the positive battery cable for my amplifier for my subwoofer. Somebody had mentioned in a blog that there was somewhere above the brake pedal, which is approximately this area on the engine side of the firewall. And I found something in the cabin side of the firewall which may or may not be what I was looking for. So I'm going to show it right now. So I pulled the carpet away. It's an older vehicle, 2008 Honda Fit. So you can see all this is starting to fall off. Probably gonna clean that up down the road. But there were some access ports. I pulled off the little pieces that covered it. And there's one here, there's one there, and there's two right there. So they obviously were meant for something that maybe a feature that is not included in the car or future installation. Not sure. So I was looking around at the brake pedal right here, and right above the brake pedal to the right is a little white tab thing. And I'm not sure what that's used for, but I was kind of messing with it and it seems loose, like it's removable. I'm gonna move the seat back if it's not already. And if I look up here, I don't really see anything else until you get to the dashboard. And I don't believe that's what they were intending on when they said it was above the brake pedal. So, I mean, that stuff is essentially next to the brake pedal. There's a grommet right there that I might be able to use going through the firewall. But I don't know what this is for. I don't want to break it. It spins around. I was thinking maybe it held a cable or something. I might go ahead and try to remove it. I'm gonna lay on my back here. Okay. Okay. That is not it. Don't know what that's for. So I was thinking maybe through here might be able to drill a hole, which I'd rather not do. Or maybe I can try to get in through here. Just make a little extra room. Above the brake pedal would be up in this area. I don't see anything. Alright, well. This is the inside of the cab on the driver's side firewall. I haven't seen anything posted about it yet, so I figured I'd make a video. If this video is useful to you, let me know. Please comment on the video, like, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.